Laura Nichols. Welcome to Holidays at Heritage.
Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city.
There are so many cool things happening here. Let's find out about them.
Tonight is the kickoff of our Holidays at Heritage series. So we start off the night with our parade at 6 p.m. that'll go through the streets of the Heritage District.
I'm really excited about being in the parade.
And then here at Heritage Park, along with the tree lighting, we have crafts, live reindeer, photo opportunities with a 360 photo op, and photos with Santa.
Hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Happy holidays!